First, I am going to finish up with my brows, and I am using a brown eyebrow pomade to fill in with an angular brush. Then with a concealer, I am going to clean up the borders of my eyebrows, and I am using the same concealer on my lids as an eyeshadow base as well. I am using highlighters underneath my eyebrows to highlight my brow bones first. Start off by blending a transition shade over the entire crease. Then deepen it with a darker orange shade. Pick a dark brown shade and apply it to your crease to add more depth to your eyes. Now apply the same dark brown shade at the outer V of your eyes and blend it properly. Now apply some highlighter at the inner corner of your eye and blend it well. Now pack a wine shimmer in the center of your eyelid and blend the two edges properly. Now I am using a face primer to prepare my skin for the rest. For foundation, I am going with the shade that matches my skin tone, and I am blending it using a beauty blender. Next, I am using my concealer to highlight the high lines of my face, and I am going to blend everything out with a beauty blender sponge. Now I am contouring my face with a cream contour to give structure to my face. Contour your jawlines as well. Now blend everything properly with a beauty blender sponge or a brush. Now I am going to apply some loose powder underneath my eyes, and where I use the concealer to set all over makeup. Use a matte bronzer to set the contouring as well. Now come to the lower part of the eye. I am using the same transition shade in the lower lash line. After that, blend a darker shade from the outer V of your eyes. Now use the same darker shade near to your waterline to add more depth to your eyes. Now I am using the shimmery shade at the corner of my eyes. Now just highlight the teardrop of your eye. Dust the excess powder from all over the face. Blush your cheeks. Use highlighter on the tip of the nose and highlight your cheekbones as well. Now just put your lipstick on. And now I am ready with all my accessories. Hello, I'm the Mischief Maker. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment, and please subscribe now. Please, please, please. नया चैनल है भाई, सब्सक्राइब कर दो.